dramatic elevations, lush greenery, summer wind, and a sweep as smooth as Japanese spring water, all encapsulated on one wrist. Welcome to the apex of Japanese watchmaking. Hi, my name is Matt from Exquisite Timepieces, and today I've picked one of my favorite Grand Seikos from our extensive catalog. Behold, the Grand Seiko SBGE295. This watch, and a majority of watches in Grand Seiko's catalog, derive their design concept from the natural beauty of Japan. Grand Seiko loves to take a story and an emotion and distill it into one of their timepieces with the help of world-class artisans. So, this begs the question, what's the story behind this watch? Grand Seiko's world-famous proprietary movement known as spring drive is born at the Shinshu Watch Studio in Shirojiri, Japan. Overlooking the city of Shirojiri is the Hotaka mountain range, which is the inspiration for this watch. But how this inspiration actually translates to the watch? Let's get hands-on and find out. Now, Grand Seiko describes the dial on this piece as a representation of the beauty of Hotaka's short summers. And we can see the texture in the dial go in many different directions. Up close, it looks a lot like foliage or a tree line as viewed from a distance. But of course, there's more to a watch than just the dial. Grand Seiko has this watch designated under the Sport Collection, which means that its specs aren't just focused on elegance, but also withstanding physical activity. This Grand Seiko SBGE295 comes with a stainless steel case, anti-reflective curved sapphire crystal, Lumerite on the hands, bezel, 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock indices for easy low light legibility. 72 hours of power reserve with a convenient power gauge located on the left side of the dial. Plus or minus 15 second a month accuracy, so you can just set it and forget it. 200 meters of water resistance with the screw down crown, meaning this watch can withstand hard use in water sports and significant diving pressures. Also convenient for travelers, a triple time zone function with 24-hour indicators both in the chapter ring and on the bidirectional bezel. So, we know this watch is tough, but it's the finer details that make this watch shine. I mean, literally. This watch makes generous use of Grand Seiko's proprietary Zaratsu polishing, which is the mirror-like finish on the hands and indices, case's edge, inner bracelet links, and link ends. Brush finish is used everywhere else to provide adequate contrast. As with all spring drive movements, the second hand sweep on this watch is just mesmerizing. I think that Grand Seiko chose the perfect movement for this watch when you consider the alpine motif as well as having the accuracy required for a sport and travel watch. Some other things I appreciate on this watch is the sign screw down crown and bracelet clasp. It's also very convenient to have drilled lugs, so it's easy to change straps, especially considering how the watch centers around versatile sport use. And for those of you with the steady hand, the screw and link bars make at-home bracelet sizing a breeze. Just be careful not to scratch that gorgeous high polish. So, if you're looking for a best-in-class dial, superior finishing, international timekeeping convenience, and handmade Japanese craftsmanship in one do-it-all package, this Grand Seiko might be right for you. The Grand Seiko SBGE295 is available on our website, exquisitetimepieces.com. I'll put a link down in the description, as well as contact information from our top-rated team who can help you with every step of the Grand Seiko buying process. We post watch reviews every week, so be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single watch review. I'm Matt from Exquisite Timepieces. Thank you for your time.